Most people get this wrong. They think all VPNs offer the same level of privacy, but Ola VPN operates differently because it's a peer-to-peer VPN rather than a traditional server-based one. This can have pros and cons depending on your needs. Ola VPN allows you to browse websites from other countries, bypass geo-restrictions, and access content that might be blocked in your region. For example, you can watch streaming content exclusive to another country without paying for additional services. The setup is simple. You just install the app or browser extension and connect to the country you want. However, the surprising truth is that Ola routes your traffic through other users' devices instead of dedicated servers. This raises privacy concerns because your IP could be shared and sensitive data might not be fully protected. For casual streaming, it works fine, but for banking or confidential work, it's risky. Performance-wise, Ola is fast because it doesn't rely on heavy servers, but speeds can vary depending on which peer is routing your traffic. Paid alternatives with dedicated servers usually offer more consistent speeds and stronger security. In conclusion, Ola VPN is convenient for bypassing geo-restrictions or streaming content from different regions, but it's not the best choice for privacy-conscious users. If you just want casual access to international content, it works, but exercise caution for sensitive activities. Subscribe for more honest VPN reviews and privacy tips.